Welcome on YouTube, and we're back with a video. As you guys can see, we both in the front seat. We finally got our car to ourselves.
We driving.
At least. We're not double park, eh?
No.
Yeah.
Just secure side.
Yeah. So guys, we'll be doing the road. But not gonna lie, honestly, I almost have a while ago, I dip on the road, 2 car road, me for the road, including a police car. Tell me how them discussed it. For no good reason, you know.
The police car, the third one.
The police car was the third. Oh no. First one me left to stop. Then the second one literally pushed me off of the road. Then the police car do push me off of the road. Like me catch it before me got fully off. On the same one stretch I got my destination. Just so them drive like foolish, it's not Jamaica, you know. But anyways, guys, I'll take you along with us, show you a day in our life together as a little nice young couple.
Along.
We come like a big old people, because Laundromat we are going right now. When I have nothing much to do on the road today, we're just basically going to go to the Laundromat. We're going to go to a little grocery shopping. We're driving by the place, and I'll get gas.
No, so answer.
And we're gonna get gas in the car.
Yeah.
We might show you a little bit of the day in the house as well, because we're gonna hang out the clothes. We're going to make dinner. We're gonna make some fun.
Me I go make dinner because Shadi can make breakfast.
Yeah, that's true. We're gonna watch some movie. When we say we're gonna make some fun, we're gonna watch some movies and what you call it? Eat some popcorn and them stuff. I'll just show you how to stay nice.
Yeah.
And guys, if you haven't known already, we have started a second channel, which I'm so happy that we're taking that journey to do.
It is called The Couple Review.
Yeah, and by now, a good amount of videos should be up and running on this channel. A good amount. So please, guys, head over to Couples Review. So if you like, if you love watching a local series and movies, then and you want to get a different opinion if it's worth their time, and just hear a different perspective, a couple's perspective, your favorite YouTuber's perspective.
Yes.
Head over there. Anyways, guys, a time for me touch Park Road. Guys, we have a car.
You know, tell them why we come back at the yard.
Oh.
You know, tell them.
Oh, yeah.
The two we no make one. We are go Laundromat
I forget the soap.
and left the soap.
And the fabric softener.
What would they go wash with? So water? So yeah, we are go back on the road now.
Yeah. I hope they're gonna not try to kill me for a second time. This time we're gonna have video proof.
Yeah, we are going video and see.
So let's go, guys. Yeah. We finally have a car.
Yeah. Like, you guys not talk to like, you don't tell me like the video you don't want to see, if you don't want to see some more challenges.
We need to go live.
Yeah, we need to go live.
We're gonna do one live. Guys, if you not do live before you see that video, we have to make sure you comment live, because we have to.
Yeah, I think I'll stop now, so.
We have to get the live going.
Yeah, we'll get what you call this again?
The car mount.
The car mount, the dashboard, something.
Yeah.
So it a rock. Jamaica road no good.
No smooth.
No smooth at all. Be a stone.
Oh God, the kid is sitting there.
God.
We never know.
So
from one problem to the next, because we say no, with our hands we were shaking. So
yeah,
we say,
but no, it has shake for some reason. It's not steady. But yeah, comment down below what videos you guys want to see. If you want to see some challenges, if you want to see some more cooking videos. Like, you guys not talking to us, man. And
then I guess from here on now, the reactions will be on Couple Review as well.
Yes, we'll be doing our reaction and what we think about popular TV shows and TV series. And
but remember, so we usually react to like YouTube videos and them stuff there, and some controversial little videos. So I think we're gonna carry that over on
the Couple Review channel.
So if you guys were here for that, you know where to go.
Yeah, you can go over there, subscribe, show us some love. Our second channel, we're excited for it. Hopefully we can grow it. It has a lot of potential also. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Orin and Shadika. We don't want to burn in the eye no more with the shaking of the car mount. Some things. We're going to show us where we go. When we come out of our scheme, we don't. I think we have 1 and 2 stalkers watching us. We have 1 and 2 stalkers watching us, so we don't really want to show the scheme. So when we reach little distance, we start record the road, Yeah.
Jesus.
So, big up on yourself.
Take it down. Don't you try to get? Take it down. Take it down. Don't you try to get? Take it down. Take it down. Would you cry? Don't you try to get? Take it down. Down me down. I want you to be glad. Take it down. Down me down. I need you to be glad. Yeah. I will wait for you. I will wait for
So it happened again. And next car tried to run me off of the road. I don't know if like a mark, overtake me from the front of the car, but yeah. So laundromat, we're in here. In here is fairly empty with people, but a lot of clothes are being washed. Like in a flood out with like every machine are run right now. So well, luckily we get as we come in, we never wait more than like a minute or two for one woman machine finish and she empty it out, and we're getting there. But honestly, guys, we're here to susus, and it's so like just coming, and she should get the large here, and she
just grab them in the look for that.
I won't tell her to go ahead. Anyways, guys, alright, so we're at the supermarket, gas station, and then we'll probably show a little bit of us, being at home.
You didn't want to buy lunch for the road?
No, much food over the orange. We still have breakfast. Guys, I mean such a good breakfast. That breakfast left over. Like, yeah. I remember saying I never eaten none of the food from last night, so that's there. But we try to save them money here. Hi guys, so it's a real partnership. We're taking turns. So Orange is going to do the lap going back home. So actually we're going to stop. Lord Jesus, it's a old... I'm telling you, no, so them pedestrian, they don't move like pedestrians, they move like they want old iron car. So yeah, we're gonna go and get some gas first, and then we are just gonna head home. So I'm not gonna lie guys, like yeah, I have a friend who comes to them place, I say one woman there, I'm gonna tell them about the woman who did make up nice, like she should have used the large or we there use. And if you only find out, say one, the bag of scandal bag them with clothes was the woman own, fear own.
Full of roach.
Jesus, we say one look a roach ball out. I see the woman put the clothes them in the man. See the little pants them and run up and go.
Come like the ancient live here, like it's our mother how she go on a clear out one barrel. So the clothes them look old and full of ants.
Or you never see the computer alone in the way call it.
I did fear that?
I eat alone or you see a big piece of
of course, I see the tear and the fluff come out.
That's what I'm saying.
It was showing while in the machine, sir. Man, look up in the way.
I'll get gas. You want to drop on the front or you drop on the back?
Gas station.
Oh, supermarket. I forget everything, guys. Supermarket and put this in your drive. Supermarket first, guys. So we're gonna schedule what we're gonna buy for the week.
The money I drive.
So we already started out was some of the things. Oh, them taxi money and 9 I live on them. Guys, on a nice sunny day. Yes. So yeah, we pretty much had planned. Okay, we're going inside. Alright guys, so what I was trying to say is that we had food or like meat in the fridge already. So we kind of look on it and say, alright, what we're gonna do with it for the rest of the week. And so we don't need that. Yeah, so we don't need that much items. Just literally a few things like sugar, one more bag of meat for Orin for his lunch, and Orin, 9 items for him, and a few little things. So yeah. Got a gas station. Or we not take gas. Like him not gassy enough. Alright guys, so it is Sunday. Sorry never pick up back the camera, but we're starting back up the vlog. We're gonna just kind of we're in the supermarket now, we're in Jones, we're gonna head home. Yeah, and then we are going to probably go in and Sunday dinner after go make. So we'll probably show a little bit of that, and yeah. We can't find the windshield wiper, window wiper, the car dry, guys. It's dry. Not in
I wipe it this morning and nothing.
Yeah, you were probably vlog, putting in, refilling the car and all them stuff there. I can see the thing going. We have to take care of care life. We need to ask somebody.
Anyway, them something.
Erin has finally found it.
I can mommy, but I think I don't wanna.
No, I don't remember mommy buying that. It was like a round bottle.
Mommy
Yeah, like this, like the turbo or that one there.
no buy.
Me nah. Alright. Buy what you think she buy.
One of them mama buy them now.
Alright, she buy one of them the last time take it up. Me just want to see it now broke up in the car.
Not this one. I want to like the angle because I remember me throw it.
How much for it? Want something cheap. Alright guys, so look at the house. Chicken cut up. All one that we're gonna make, we are prep it for other use.
We are prepared clean of the week.
Alright, so that's being prepped. But right now, brand new pressure cooker on the stove being used.
Yes.
So we're gonna make stew peas. Ooh, we're making stew peas today. And what else? White rice, stew peas, white rice, and nice sour sap juice. Hopefully.
Vegetable and my fry plantain.
You might fry what? You're a gourmet chef. I don't mind. I don't mind.
Gourmet.
Anyways, so that's what's gonna happen. So we'll show you a little bit of clips of in and out, and we have the windshield wiper wash. We'll put it in the car later. The time is just too hot, and I know the engine is gonna be hot as well. So we want it cool down before we go there and put this in the car. But the car is dry at the moment. No water in it.
No water no come out.
Yes, so we.
Someone turn 2 times and go back and no water no.
Yeah, so guys, it's the life of having a car. We make sure we put our gas in it, and we have to take good care of it. Yes.
Mother out there watching.
So guys, yeah, that's what we're going right now. Oh, crap. Alright guys, so we put everything to, I almost forgot. So we're pouring the entire bucket already, and then now we are top it up again. Mixing the mixture. Why am I not going to something would have finally reached? Alright, finish top it up.
No.
Oh, that's it?
What could I shouldn't even come so far.
Alright. Jesus. So we're gonna check some of the things in the engine.
Everything looks good.
You good? Oh, I see wait there. Okay. You must see wait there. You not see wait there? You will see me?
Yeah, of course I see you, do you? You're looking like 2 big bunnies. Yeah.
Yes.
Are you off old?
Ooh, yes, we're fine. Back to business.
No, we say Jesus. Alright.
But the winter doesn't fit true, man.
Now I'm gonna clean everything, babes.
What up guys, it's a new day, it's a new morning, and we have, I guess, regular life things on the agenda, nothing extra, just driving around in our car. Yes, so we'll have to go to the supermarket, I have to go over mall side, Mega Mart, gas, some other things may come up. Oh shit, I need to get shampoo for my beds. Oh shit. Please look up, put my camera down. Man, look at him. Look at him, look at him. He looking nice. Look at him. He even work garden. Get some pineapple. What's that? I don't know. We're gonna look when I look better and I look soft and I go around. If you want to place yourself empty and nice, come early from a Saturday or a supermarket, then you're free up and nice. Alright, so it's a ginger tea. Take off. No, I should have been there. Chicken come up already. Oh, Jesus. No.
That one. I'm catching that one.
Let me talk to him for these guys. We add out to the Rastafari. Alright, no copyright around here. So. That guy, why time's so hard? Jesus, crime. Park the car for 2 minutes and the steering wheel coming like it in a one pot a cook. No, some can't bother with this. And in terms of expensive, can't afford the AC. Pass me turn on the AC and the gas bar drop a while ago. Jesus. Boy. Can't afford to live comfortable at all like that. It's not so to work on this. Streams of income activate. I'm oriented. You can imagine the entire bank. The most rich when him done, cause I don't see why I'm gonna last in there. I seen them, but turn off the AC, can't make him know people. Jesus, turn off the AC, Jesus. One would win like me did hot, and I did. My heart bad. See there come. In your heart, exactly. I don't know where you feel for.
What part in the man AC?
Which part? Which part?
You can't shoot me down in there, wind up and you in there, bro. In a door at.
Oh, guys, orient seat. As I'm turning the AC, one bar. God! We can't believe it. We're gonna get gas now, people. We probably look a bar them.
Put $1,000 on this,
Yeah, me put $1,000, but me not use $1,000 worth of AC.
You're lucky you take it off. Come, ready.
Alright,
You
people.
just be there and protect the little gas we no pass off. You go turn on AC and sit down out there.
My heart.
At your backside. Come, get.
No, man, what you want? I'm not a bad driver, you know. I'm not bad at all. Damn. So I get station stay, so. You know, me.
Just go park up right to that carrier, so. Right back
Come
at
here,
that
Blackie
road.
Road.
Blackie Road.
Right, so guess what?
Dam Road. That is.
No want Blackie Road.
Blackie Dam.
No want Blackie Road.
Babe, them can
Enough
park.
space, Alright, so space to do. Hey Ross, remember they have to drive so fast. You never care they go over this.
Time is a jackass, that is why.
So why him a refer, you know, me mind my business. No man, me mind my business. Watch it. So the gas station full and pack and miserable. And for one, people don't have no money. So when we are do a job up and down and we are do can't afford to buy gas. So often. I don't say so often because I want to pass that them will come here.
People have to drive.
We have to drive. So we have to go about BS.
Take buses not an option.
Taking buses is an option.
Them worse. Why you turn about the hours and
I can't stand that, guys. When actually, you know, say we definitely show the journey. So when we actually buy our first car, I don't know if we're going to buy it together or if we're going to buy it individually. But we definitely show you upon that journey because I'm not staying in this life. The bus life, I'm not going back to it. It's a no return zone. That is a no return zone. Big X. Woo, no such time art and the AC and this is a lie. This is a lie. Guys, more see how much bars you really get.
Cool and tonight,
My miserable people.
People, we buy gas. Alright guys, we're on our way to Mega Mart. Now forget the good up. Not kill the dog, a big mash up. Feed the tough bone, mash up mommy car, 3 sauce. You know,
Watching people Jesus and people want in a road. The man look down the road once in a come
Not
come and
even
see the
once.
last time behind. No, so the people take them very brave. Them put them in a car driver's hand. Put them knife in a car driver's hands.
Oh, come here, see them hand.
Orin is being so extra, he has to park the car to the very back. but I throw down the car. But it's alright. I'm going to taste this right now and let him make him do because him not feel comfortable. Because in here empty, people. Because in here empty. But him have a pocket need, so make him stay. Alright, people, we're going to taste this now.
This ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie came mad. Just water on stand, close, don't fuck around the ground. Off this way, doing all the shows. I've been on the road, I'm getting wide, couple numbers I get paid. Mad little fire, she been on my mind. Soon as I get that shit.
Coolness, I love this for me. Cool. Sounds like you're eating. Now what is that? Eating. Look what in here empty and organ. Organ and they God.
I don't want your chain, I'm going another slave. I hit that Jordan, not too many bitches getting saved. Tears in the resin, so I took a private plane. He puts a nigga like a
Never did want to drive.
Okay,
Another
nice,
drive now. We say, cause we say, nah, drive, you know.
I never cuss you.
Oh, you mean if you never cut? Boy, we say no, me extra. Who I drive
Every
now?
conversation I have with Shadika cuss me.
Because he is. Kind of Vix. Anyways, we're hitting the road now again. We're going to go over Jamaica Mall. That's the last stop. And then we'll go home. But if we come up back, we not cook today. I'm not like sleeping at the bed at daytime. I can't deal with the bag of frozen people, them man. Oh, the AC 90, Jesus.
don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Still tired
Feel it,
of
Orion?
standing this logic. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up, girl. Now somebody's on next up. Damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girlie only fuck your
Is minced beef there? Yes, perfect. Alright, so take up the pork. Take up the minced beef when you're done. Morning.
Get in the ride, left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a split and get high and shout at you. Say what you been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. Play this song for him, tell him just listen.
So this is some behind the scenes action or the talk corner. So guys, we have a second channel if you guys haven't known as yet. It's called Couple Review. Yes, and that's basically where we'll be reviewing like movies, series, any little, I guess, current
TV shows.
Yeah, we'll be doing those things.
It will be in the description. Please subscribe.
Yeah, so this is like a behind the scenes setup of what's going on. We're about to review a television series right now. So guys,
go on over and subscribe.
yes guys, we'll be doing movies, Netflix series, all these up-to-date things, and be reactions and all them stuff there. So yeah, this is behind the scenes of it, and this is how it would stay too if we do like a sit-down video for Orin and Shadika as well. Most times, sometimes. Alright guys, so we actually stopped, and this is gonna be our dinner for tonight. Today is a no-cook day. We're pretty much named patty for breakfast. And this is what we're gonna have. We're gonna have some Chinese food for later. Last week we pretty much put on some cooking, as you guys would have seen. So this week, kind of just, you know, take a break from that. Or kind of wash up, and I'm gonna have a shower. I'm supposed to have a week for kind of just install family vibes, and I have other. So I'm gonna have a shower because that is it for the day. I don't think we're coming out after that, and may I get some work done. So whether that is editing content to post on my Instagram, cause I'm growing my business, guys, and or I have schoolwork to do. I have a project to do. So whatever I am able to do, that's what I'll be doing for the rest of today. Probably a little bit about, who knows.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah.
Okay, so I had to end up going over Auntie O's to install our radio. It's kind of cool though. That's how I actually want to provide that service, doing, but like it's a luxury service. I actually started going to the client's location, but I ended up with him to come back with it. But she should be on her way right now to come back for him. So definitely. Alright, it wasn't bad though. It could have been horrible.
We like to party.